Multiple people are feared dead and more are trapped after an explosion at a shopping centre in Japan following a major earthquake. The Japanese Prime Minister said the quake has caused extensive damage and casualties. It happened near the city of Kumamoto, which was devastated by a similar earthquake a decade ago.
Security cameras captured the moment the powerful tremor struck shortly before 4:30 in the afternoon local time, reaching the maximum intensity on Japan's seismic scale. The epicentre of the 7.1 magnitude quake was located close to the city of Kumamoto on the southwestern island of Kyushu, in a country prone to earthquakes. A brief tsunami warning was lifted, but the quake caused significant damage. Dozens of buildings collapsed and there were fire outbreaks. Train services have been suspended, while large cracks have appeared on major roads and bridges have fallen. Electricity has been cut off for thousands of homes, with more than 300,000 people ordered to evacuate to shelters. A major rescue operation is underway at the Aeon shopping mall, which partially collapsed following an explosion. Multiple deaths have been confirmed, while others are feared to be trapped in the ruins of the building. Several more people are unaccounted for after a chimney toppled in a paper factory in the nearby city of Yatsushiro.
To those in areas that experience strong shaking, the risk of building collapses and landslides remain high. Please avoid entering dangerous areas and take all precautions to ensure your safety.
Dozens of strong aftershocks have been felt, with more forecast in the days ahead. As the assessment of the damage continues, the death toll is expected to rise. Fergal O'Brien, RTE News.